Microscopic Milton is very small indeed. He lives in a clock on the mantelpiece in the parlour of a house that belongs to a lady named Mrs. Witherspoon. No one knows he's there, apart from Milton's friend Douglas, who spends most of his time asleep in front of the fire, and, of course, you. Milton had spent most of the morning in his attic. He was looking for an interesting book to read, but instead he'd found an old trunk which had belonged to his great-uncle, Malcolm, the mystic microbe. In his day, Malcolm was a great magician. Milton opened the trunk and peered inside. "Wow," he said, "just look at all this great stuff." There was a shiny top hat, a magician's cape, a magic wand, and an old book of magic tricks. "I know," he said. "I put on a magic show for Douglas." "Roll up," shouted Milton. "The great, the magnificent, the marvelous mystic Milton will perform his amazing magic show at precisely 3 o'clock this very day." Then he ran quickly back to his clock to practice a few tricks. Douglas was intrigued. "I do enjoy a good magic show," he thought to himself. Milton practiced hard, and soon it was time for the show. "Ladies and gentlemen, will you please put your paws together for Mystic Milton?" Milton was almost at the end of his act, but he had one final spectacular trick to perform. "For my final trick," he announced, "I will need a volunteer from the audience. You, sir. Yes, you, sir. Using only my magic powers, I will now make you completely disappear." "Don't worry, sir, it won't hurt a bit." Milton lifted his magic wand high into the air and began to say the magic word. Abracadabra, cabribada. Milton had forgotten the magic word. "I'd better check my magic book," he thought. "Now, let me see. Disappearing dogs. Just then, Douglas heard the faint sound of Mrs. Witherspoon opening a tin of dog food in the kitchen. "I'll just have a quick bite while I'm waiting," he thought, and crept quietly out of the room. "Ah, got it," said Milton at last. "Abracadabra!" "It worked!" shouted Milton excitedly. "He's disappeared!" Milton raised his magic wand again to make Douglas reappear. "Abracadabra!" he shouted. But nothing happened. He tried again. "Abracadabra!" "Oh dear," thought Milton, who was beginning to get quite worried. "Whatever will Mrs. Witherspoon say?" "I'd better consult the magic book," he thought. "I must be doing something wrong." "Ah, said Milton, who had found what he was looking for. "I have to say the magic word backwards to make him reappear. Abadakaba!" "Oh, Douglas, wasn't that amazing? What did it feel like? Have you ever seen anything so fantastic? I must be the greatest magician in the world." "Did I miss something?" thought Douglas.